are not even celebrating. I haven't seen anybody wearing the white meat. Say something.
If now you go celebrate. You know now, think about her. As in, woman made all these 60 years, don't pass menopause, yet not get pikin, you go celebrate.
Back to my YouTube channel. So today, of course, I am in Benin City. I am spending my Independence Day in Benin City. I arrived I'm eating this. I arrived yesterday in Benin City, of course, and I came here actually to get a stand, but you know how you're killing two birds with one stone? Get a stand, make vlogs, and do other random stuff, of course. So today is Independence Day and I'm going to be spending my day running errands and all that. So of course, to get to spend the day with me, I'm going to show you around what I do, and for today I'm going to show you about everything I do. So I've been sleeping and I just woke up and I'm a little late. I'm supposed to go to the market in the morning, but I hope I still get to buy the things that I need, you know, for today. So yeah, you guys get to follow me around. If there's anything you need to ask, anything, just leave in your comment section. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yes, I'm actually going like this because this is Benin City. I cannot come and kill myself. Yeah, I have a different vibe when I'm in Benin. I'm always free, I'm always myself. So I'm being myself, yo. So I'll see you guys around. I haven't seen anybody wearing the white meat. Say something.
If now you go celebrate. You know now, think about her. as in woman wey don dey 60 years don pass menopause yet no get pikin, you go celebrate. Na good thing to celebrate. So let's forget about it. You can look at the street and nobody is moving. No, there's no green, white, green, or no green and white. Nobody is dancing. Nobody's rejoicing. So I was even thinking of that someone will just bring rice for me and just like eat and stuff like that. But everybody's just inside. Everybody's angry, carrying their face like as if something happened.
I thought you were celebrating. You're wearing white now.
I'm wearing white because I chose to wear white. No, I didn't choose to wear white. I didn't choose to wear white. I wore white today. I love white.
Okay, not because today is Independence Day.
Truth be told, I won't forget self. So somebody that told me that today is the happy independence. I was looking at the person like independence, like what's happening. So, but independent, there's nothing like I've not even seen my TV today, self. So, but the truth is that nobody is happy. That's just it. Nobody's happy about Nigeria being at 60. Okay, we thank God that we gain our independence, but we are still under slavery. I call this one modern day slavery. We are not under the colonial masters or any other thing, but our politicians, our leaders, sorry to say, our leaders are the problem of this country, are the problem of this country, sorry to say. So that's it. But they come to look at it to Nigeria don't turn grandma. Nigeria don't turn grandma. So somebody may don't hold, don't they 60 years, never fit give birth to one issue. That not to be something to celebrate now. So I beg, let's forget about it.